AI is everywhere. It recommends what you watch, unlock your face, write your email, and maybe even decides your next job application fit. But how does it actually work? Is it magic? Nope. It's just a math, data, and tons of computer pretending to be smart. Let's explain how AI actually thinks in the simplest way possible. Most people think AI is this mysterious brain that actually knows everything. But it's not. AI doesn't know anything. It just recognizes patterns really fast. Imagine you are teaching a kid what an apple is. You don't write a 20-page essay about apples. You just show them pictures. This is an apple, that's an orange. After a few hundreds picture, this kid figures it out. Congrats, you just done a machine learning. AI learns from data and lot of it. So data is to AI what coffee is to programmers. Essential. If you feed it enough examples, it starts seeing patterns. If you feed it garbage, it becomes garbage. That's literally called garbage in, garbage out. You want AI recognize cats? Show it thousands of cat photos. Different cat, different poses, different lighting. The more variety, the better it gets. Now, how does it actually learn from that data? That's where algorithm comes in. Think of them as a recipe telling the computer how to mix the data and extract the patterns. Different recipe is equal to different results. One algorithm might just draw a straight line through that data. Another might build 100-layer brain simulation to find every tiny details. Training is basically AI school. You feed it data, it makes guesses, it gets corrected and learns. It's like students taking hundreds of millions of practice tests, except faster and with more GPUs. At first, it's terrible. It thinks banana is a dog, a car is a cat, and your face is, well, never mind. But after enough corrections, it starts getting smart. It learns how to throw the dart right, not just by luck, but by adjusting every tiny things until it hits the bullseye every time. Once it trains, you test it. New data, no cheating. If it performs well, congrats, you have built a working AI. If it fails miserably, you have built a slightly more expensive calculator. Now here's where cool stuff comes in. Modern AI like ChatGPT or your phone's face unlock uses something called neural network. It's inspired by your brain, except it doesn't forget your birthdays. Each layer is a neural network focused on something simple like age, shapes, or colors. And by the time you reach the deeper layer, it can say, oh, hey, that's a cat. It's basically Lego for knowledge. Layer by layer, builds understanding from scratch. But AI still messes up. It can be biased, wrong, or just hilariously dumb. If you only show it white cat, it might think all cats are white. If you train it only on happy review, it will think the world is a full of joy and rainbows. AI only knows what it's shown, nothing more. So yeah, it's smart but also incredibly naive. So what really happening behind the scenes? AI just repeats this cycle. Collect data, find patterns, practice, get tested, make predictions, and do it millions of times faster than any human ever. It's basically the world's most overachieving students that everyone is jealous of. AI isn't replacing humans, it's copying us, learning from our data, our behavior, our choices. It's only as good as what we teach it. So next time you see AI powered on product, just know it's probably a bunch of math pretending to be brain, and that's kind of beautiful. If this helped you finally get what AI actually does, hit that like button before an algorithm decides for you, and subscribe